$6.99, $39. $6.99, $39. Listen, if you don't subscribe because of this, I'm just going to keep making more videos until you subscribe. Ain't nothing I can do about it. But what I'm saying is, oh my God. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Donnakay.Simone if this is your first time finding me. And if you are a returning subscriber, all 332 of y'all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Today I am so excited about this video because piggybacking off my last video, 2019, I am in rich broke status. I want to look good affordably. And if you would like to look good affordably, well, I have a great dupe for you. I have a great option for you for a higher end product. Laura Mercier is a luxury brand and it comes with a luxury price tag. Today, I have a dupe, a really good dupe, not no fool dupe, but a real good dupe that you can fool anyone and say, hey, I'm wearing Laura and nobody can clock you. You're one. So now the dupe that I have is from Absolute. I bought it at my local beauty supply store and it's called the Absolute Skin Glow Bronze. And it comes in 4 colors, but I picked up 2. And these were the colors that were closest to the Laura Mercier glow powders. And the lighter color is called Sun. And the darker color is called Bronze. So first, let me swatch them for you. So the first one I'm going to swatch is Laura Mercier's Translucent Glow Powder. And this is the light one, the lightest one. There's 2 of them, okay? There's 2 of them and I'm swatching the lightest one. I'm just gonna swatch it and then blend it in. How can I get this to show up? You can't see it. As you can see, it is a very light glow. And on my skin texture, it's really hard to see it because it blends right in. Let me apply a little more. This one, I can already tell the difference between both is that the Laura Mercier is definitely more powdery. So this is the Laura Mercier. Right, I'm going to wipe off my hand. And then I'm going to swatch the Absolute Glow Powder in Sun. And I'm going to swatch it right here. You can't really tell the difference, can you? To the naked eye, you can't tell the difference. You can't. You can't tell the difference. Wow, I'm really excited about this dupe. Because a lot of times when you see dupe videos, they're like, oh, well, it's a little off. No, this is spot on. All right. And then now I'm going to swatch the bronze color, the deep color, the medium deep translucent glow powder for Laura Mercier. The thing about these products is that they're so finely milled that you can't quite see it that well in swatches. So I'm just gonna have to apply it to my skin. All right, so the Laura Mercier, it's rubbed in right there. This is the bronze. And then this is the Absolute swatched. This video is proving a little bit more difficult than I anticipated because these products are so finely milled you cannot see my swatches. So I'm gonna try applying it to my face, and hopefully the face swatches will prove more successful. So first I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, the light color. There's a little in the cap. Okay, so this is the Laura Mercier powder swatched. I'm going to use a different brush, and now I'm going to swatch the Absolute powder. This is the Absolute. This is Laura Mercier. You can't tell the difference. Okay, so now I'm going to swatch the bronze color. I'm going to swatch the bronze color. So I'm going to pick up the brush that I used for the Laura Mercier, and I'm going to apply the bronze color on my forehead. This is the medium deep for Laura Mercier. Now I'm going to take the brush for Absolute, and I'm going to be using their bronze color. Can you tell the difference? I know you can't tell the difference because I can't tell the difference, and I'm seeing it live in person and I cannot tell the difference. All right. This, one of them should have the price tag on it. It don't. I paid $6.99 for this. $6.99. The Laura Mercier, I paid $39 for. $6.99, $39. $6.99, $39. Listen, if you don't subscribe because of this, I'm just going to keep making more videos until you subscribe. Ain't nothing I can do about it. But what I'm saying is, oh my God, luxury quality at $6.99. This is amazing. I really wish I had the receipt for this because I would take it back. I really would, but I don't have it. I don't have the receipt. So make my loss be your gain, okay? $39, $6.99.
All right, quiz time. I'm going to be using both of these products. One I'm going to be using on the tip of my nose, like what I'm using right now, I'm doing right now. Then the other I'm going to be using on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be wiping off the brush in between products. I need you to tell me which one I'm using. So which one I use on the tip of my nose and which one I used on the bridge of my nose. Also, I'm going to be putting a little bit on my top lip. So, if you think it's the Laura Mercier, say, my girl, you use the Laura Mercier on the tip of your nose, and on the bridge of your nose, use the Absolute. And on the top of your lip, you use the Laura Mercier. I'm not telling you that's what it is. I'm telling you, if you are pessimistic and you're saying, I can tell the difference, tell me down below, which one am I using?
Can you tell the difference between both sides?